Hello everybody from Medieval Times here in Kissimmee, Florida. This video will be actually focusing on the village and some of the merchandise. I'm going to make a separate video for the tournament itself because there's a lot to see out here. Don't want to bury it at the end or the beginning of the tournament video. So let's check this place out. Looks like they're still working on this building. Just kidding, it's just theming. Whose house? Architect's house. Whose house? Architect's house. Actually it says home, but you know. I am the keymaster. Make sure if you come to visit Medieval Times here in Kissimmee, don't forget to check out the village. Don't skip it. It's a whole experience out here. It's also pretty awesome. Here's some examples of some furniture from those times. I don't know if this is all authentic or reproductions. I'll try to find out before I leave. This is cool. Some chairs. Looks like the Scarecrow. Some old wooden shoes and tools. Yeah, if you miss out on touring the village, you're missing a lot actually. It's pretty cool. The grain basket. As I read signs, you can clearly see. Good job. It's just a quick overview. If you want to see some more, then hopefully you can make it here. It's not too far from Disney, not too far from Universal, so even themed the exit signs. Out here you'll be able to see better because it's well outside. Here's some stables. No horses, although there are, of course, horses on property. This isn't where they stay. Let us go see cloth making. Look at this door over here, so that they don't have to open the entire door. They could just open this small piece and see who's there, if it's a friend or foe. I wonder how old this is. Oh. Why don't you read that too, Dave? It's a nice little lesson about the early days of cloth making. Some examples of what clothing was worn in the medieval times.
Roll credits.
A lovely basket of flowers. Here's a fire pit, and up here is how they stoke the fires. That is, they blow air on it to get it hotter. Looks like there are people who work in here. They're obviously not here right now, but just a good overview. Looks like they fire some clay here too. Cool. And this is a self-closing door. It has a pulley over there and a counterweight. So when you open it, closes itself. Pretty ingenious. To Dungeon Blacksmith. Alright, so here's some modern lighting. Look at all these tools. Making some... Oh, here's an old lathe. Here's the Blacksmith Shop. For making all types of armament, weapons. Let's going to be hard to show you this because this is a very small opening for finger's sake. Here's some handcuffs. This look more like stirrups, but I guess those are old type of handcuffs. Also pretty brutal, the neck catcher. Ooh. Wow, they were not nice people back then, were they? Here's the truth about cauldrons. Try to take a picture of it so. Look, Brian, this is so terrible. It's a bed, and it's like what you fear the most. Sleeping in a bed. It's terrible. Oh, this one must be for, this bed has lumbar support. The wreck. Ah, this must be the frame for Burning Man. Put all the, hay and things in it, and then it gets reused every year. The interrogation chair. Okay, can't imagine what they're going to offer you afterwards to make you talk. I mean, that's already pretty bad. Fans of the Uncharted franchise might recognize these. We would see them around in the game with skeletons in it. Things get kinky over here. All right, well, here's an early version of a tracking bracelet. Not really. But this is all I'm going to show you of the torture chamber because, again, if you want to see more, just have to visit.
No. I might have better.
Here's the kitchen.
Arabian Nights?
Maybe it was.
Oh, yeah. But that's gone.
Yes, it's
They
gone.
closed down. What are we doing with this?
Oh, this is a cozy place. I saw over that way, not so cozy place.
I'm too old to be a wench, so they stuck me with the old stuff over here in the museum.
Yeah.
Well, look at this.
So they're gone.
Here's a better look at the bird.
Can you show the bird to the camera?
The man's giving me the bird. He's busy, but thank you. That is a look at the village. Let's go inside and look at some merchandise and close out this video. Please also watch my video of the tournament itself. Again, if you're coming here, please do not skip the village. It's really cool. There's $39.95, and what did you say the other one was?
$28.95.
Okay, that was $24.95 for these little princess hats. Made in USA, too. 2 for $28, that was the Z's one. Gonna be glare issues. Oops. Oh, maybe I can at least get the prices. Right here is the main box office where you come and pick up your tickets or purchase if you do not have any tickets and didn't buy them in advance. Over here is the VIP area. If you have a VIP ticket or reservation, you can skip the line and go right up to this podium. Pretty cool. And while you're waiting, if you don't have VIP, you can check out all these suits of armor. And even if you do have VIP, maybe take a moment to look around. They're pretty cool. Just don't touch. If you do have a VIP reservation, you are royalty. Again, here is the pricing for various packages. And of course, if you want to come here on your birthday, there are special packages for that too. Even the doors are pretty awesome here. Check those out. The gates are open and the guests are arriving. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Also, please check out my tournament video. Here's a few clips from it.